Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a daily dose of encouragement. This morning, I was looking at some quotes and then I saw some that, you know, that were apropos for today. Then I saw this other one from a friend, and this is an unknown quote. We don't know who wrote it or anything like that, but I wanted to read it to you. Okay, it says, "Life is an echo. What you send out comes back. What you sow, you reap. What you give, you get. What you see in others exists in you. Do not judge, so you will not be judged. Radiate and give love, and love will come back to you." I wish I knew who wrote that, but it's unknown. I researched it, and that was so well said. Wow. My husband said, "That sounds like something you would write." Well, you know how he is. He's a little partial because he loves me. But it's the sort of way I feel and the way I think about things. So that quote, or that saying, or that whoever wrote that, really had it, just nailed it, in my opinion. You go out today and be the best you can. The very best. If you come across people that are negative and ugly and just not the nicest people in the world, don't take it personal. Just think that their story is a different story than your story. Make your story with a happy ending. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, a happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And thank you, Mary, for sending that out. I love you. Until tomorrow. I love each and every one of you, and I am sending a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so. Until tomorrow.